go, 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 go.
Fucking hands. Fucking hands.
Into the track because there is something behind. Okay, let's see if we can recognize something.
There is the road on the left side.
This is nothing.
Could be this.
There was from the right side too? No. It should be this one. Shit. Just go more. What is this here? Can be this is a left. Go down. No, I don't know that. No. Because that looks like our track, but it's freshly. You see, it's freshly done. That's what I think this is it.
Okay, let's get out from the car and see. Maybe we will see something.
Okay, but go out from this place.
I'm quite sure that this is not the right road. No, it's not. And there is no light of racing cars here.
Well, good question. Here to recognize racing cars. Okay, stop somewhere and I'll jump out and see. Shit, but go out from the track. Somebody hit us. Okay, what's that? Wait, here to the left.
Are you sure?
Maybe they missed it here. Okay. We have one line. But
do you see something?
No, here don't. Okay, I do it.
Okay.
But don't stay in the middle.
No, we are behind the fucking hut! Nobody's there.
Okay, go that way. Droit Rio. Rio. If we can go here back somewhere. Shit, it's fucked up. It's so.
No, we have to jump out of the car.
Yeah. Okay, stay down. Okay.
Do you have this table?
No, I don't.
Then we are on the wrong road. We have to turn back.
We have the middle differential, so we cannot. Shit. Okay, this fucking roadbook is not good.
Where is the dust? Wash it. Wash it. Now, watch.
Okay, we came from here.
Where we can see that. Just wait a little bit. Now wash it again. And now we have to see where you see dust.
There we see a lot of dust. But that's where we came from. You know.
No, we come from there.
We come from there, but they came from all the others. Okay, slow down. Slow down.
Oh, what's here?
No, it's not our.
We will go back
Back to a bit more, yes.
to the point where we lost.
And I'm quite sure that there we should go to the right, where this guy came from.
Okay.
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 There they are coming. Everybody. See? Okay. Here.
Look at him.
He goes that way.
Where is he? Can I go or not?
No, I don't see. You can. I can't hear, I
But
can't see. Sierra Gorda. They are also, they don't know Subaru. They don't know also. Okay, try this way.
Here is a lot of track lines. Let's find it.
Yeah, but in 100 meters we should join to from the right. Something should join from the right. But there is nothing. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, go. Push down. Okay, that was nothing. Should have a left turn. But still somebody is coming. There. You see? There is no left turn.
There is a hammer.
Okay. Is the hammer?
Yes. No.
No.
No, it's somewhere in Greece or what?
No, nobody knows where we are. That's the problem.
If they know Spanish, they will ask them.
I'm sure if we are on the track if they are here.
No, this is the worker.
Okay, go. Yes, that's it.
No, nobody knows.
Okay, we should go. Okay, then choose this way. I don't know.
Look at what they do.
I don't see.
Fucking hands. Fucking hands! What a stupid thing!
Don't worry. Okay, I go that way. Be careful.
Yes.
That's it. There are some more cars too. So
I saw.
everybody is lost.
Where is the Subaru?
I don't know.
This is our guy.
I don't know. Oh, there is the Subaru. That's the track. Okay, that was, I'm sure that this mistake was in the road book and not, because so many people at one time cannot make mistakes. Shit. Now, this is the right turn back. Yes. What's that now? It's nice to know where we are.
like a track because there is a lot of
Okay. I try to recognize where we are.
Are we here?
Okay, this is the left.
Something, there is chopper. Hey, chopper.
Oh, be careful, be careful back there. This is very rough. Shit. I don't know where we are.
I'm wait.
Okay.
Wide open.
Okay, there is one right and left and right. Okay, maybe this one. This is maybe the right, left, right, and we're going to the Nuremberg. Okay. Now it looks like I know where we are. All the way twisting.